This morning, I couldn't log into any of my company's systems. I quickly received a crisis notification from our Astran Always Ready platform. I accessed the emergency onboarding page, where I had several secure login options available at any time. I was immediately brought to the critical process that require my attention today, the processing of this month's payroll. Running a full payroll execution without our core systems can seem like a daunting task. However, our crisis process in Astran is designed to run smoothly from a previous month payment file, removing guesswork and ensuring we start from a reliable source. After selecting the relevant payment file from our vital data in Astran, the technical XML pane file is turned into table format for me to review. Automations in Astran will help further by reconciliating the payment file with the latest population file for our organization. This way we automatically surface odd amounts, include new colleagues, or update payment details that have changed. Once these have been matched, I can open the result file to review the suggested edits and record my decisions. I then submit the payment proposal for review to my manager. The process is built to implement our validation policies and track the independent validation of the proposal before it's sent to our Treasury team.
I'm part of the Treasury team, and a task was just assigned to me by the HR manager. This month's payroll run is ready to review before payment. After reviewing the task, I'm brought to the ongoing process execution where the submitted file is found. I have direct access to it to confirm the information it contains and track the updated approval status for each payment. Once I'm happy with my review of the payment proposal, I can set the desired execution date, confirm the Treasury team validation, and generate the payment file in the required XML pane format for our e-banking platform. While the e-banking portal will enforce the appropriate signatures on the payment, we'll make sure to capture the relevant submission details for future reference or audits. There's now one last thing to do before I can mark the process as complete. Astran will generate for me a summary of the completed payment run. I can use this information to inform our key stakeholders of the finalized payroll for this month. When operating in crisis conditions, capturing actions and enabling auditability is key. In Astran, all process executions remains available even after completion. This way I could easily get back to the summary of our payroll run or even review all actions done by our users in the process.
Being ready when a crisis hits requires preparation. Outside of crisis mode, Astran helps resilience and business teams track their level of readiness over time. All emergency processes required to operate a minimum viable company are listed in the platform. In this case, we can see that the platform is actively used by our crisis response teams, including finance and IT operations. For each critical process, Astran tracks the vital data freshness, as well as whether the process has already been simulated. This ensures processes are truly actionable when needed. Drilling into a process, users can review both the process structure and its execution history. Data freshness is defined at the file level, making it easy to detect any issue in data integration before it impacts execution. The process itself is built using a simple markdown editor, intuitive building blocks to capture user input, and light coding for data transformations, making it easy to design, review, and adapt processes over time. In addition, Astran provides AI capabilities to review process consistency, generate new processes from scratch, or derive alternative versions from existing ones, allowing teams to adapt quickly as scenarios evolve.